right now we have to know, Steve Kerr, our favorite game on the jump, what were you thinking? And I got to start with the comeback that you led with Scottie Pippen and Michael Jordan on the bench against the Mavericks. 1997, Phil Jackson said the starters aren't playing well. I'm going to bench these guys. You scored 20 points in that game, including 12 in the fourth quarter.
I
don't even remember this?
I have no memory of this game.
This is amazing. How do you not remember this? Look at you.
Look at the athleticism of Scottie. Scottie loved it.
These guys were cheering. Michael and Scottie were going crazy for you.
You must have dug deep to find that box score.
We really, look, we try, man. We try on this thing. Okay, we're going to move to, again, the 97, of course, finals. This one I know you remember, Game 6. And we saw Michael Jordan giving you a little chat beforehand. Can you take us through what was going on there?
Well, this looks like the same game, the Dallas game. All right, so here we go.
Okay. Yeah, they're a little bit behind.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Well, my first question is, what was I thinking with that haircut? I mean, the biggest moment of my career, and I have the worst haircut. I look like a Marine.
Is it the worst haircut, though? Because I've seen some pretty bad haircuts on you, Steve.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You know what? I remember what I was thinking was earlier in the series. Do you remember where John Stockton stole the ball from MJ, like at the end of Game 4? Game 3 or Game 4 in Salt Lake, and he came over and helped. Michael was actually thinking about that because during the timeout.
Okay, yeah, I kind of recall the play because Michael reiterated that, hey, he's coming.
That's right. So he came over and he said, hey, he's going to come double team, so be ready. And after my heart stopped, for a couple seconds, I go, okay, I'll be ready.
Did you think, as the ball was, when the ball is leaving your hands, it's pure? You know it's good?
Yeah. That one felt good.
Okay.
And so, the biggest thing, I just wanted to step into it, and Stockton kind of helped quite a bit, and then kind of slipped. I think he got his feet tangled up on.
I saw that on the film. I watched this a lot.
We're not going to get into an MJ push-off situation here.
Trying to get back to him.
And there we go. All right, we get going. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. Thank you so much to Steve. All the Warriors for being here. We'll be back with you on The Jump tomorrow.